Hi, so what I got here is a combination electric air duster and the vacuum. So what I like about this is it actually replaces those canister air dusters. So those can get kind of expensive, whereas this is a lithium rechargeable duster. So what you'll notice here is that there's a nozzle and there's a lot of different pieces. You know, there is a duster with a brush and then these finer, more slim nozzles. And the one I love to use is this particular one. So let me just show you a demo here. And this is super powerful. So I'm gonna turn it on and you'll notice what I mean by that. So this is the lowest setting. And you can see with my hand, you know, the skin. You know, it's blowing my skin here. I'm gonna turn it a little bit higher, one more. So that's the second speed. And now you can see how powerful that is. And then one more, and this is the highest. So just being the highest here. So one thing I love using this for is actually for the keyboard. So right here, you know, I could dust out the keyboard. And you can see it even moves the keys when I do that. So that's one thing that I love using this for. And you can see how, you know, these are just blowing all over the place. And if I actually aim this at something, you'll notice that, you know, it actually moves. And so I'm about 5 feet away from these things. And it's just blowing, you know, it's just blowing stuff like so. So it's very powerful. And then one more push, you turn it off. So you'll notice here, there's the battery indicators. So let me just do that again so you can see the battery indicators. So there's the battery indicator. Each of them is 25%, there's 4. There's also a light. So if I turn this on, there's actually a light. You can see the light here. Turn off the light. Turn these off. Turn these off. So let me just show you the attachment. So this is my favorite attachment. Gonna take that away. Of course, I blew away all of these attachments. So here's another attachment that has a brush at the end. So if you're doing a little bit of dusting, you know, you could dust it like so. And then there's these more finer nozzles right here, and then another one. So this, once again, this also doubles as a vacuum. So I'm going to show you that it's not just a blower. So this here is for the tube. So it also has a tube in case you have hard to reach areas, such as you know, the dryer lint, for example. Now this side actually is for the blower. Now if I remove this here, this side here is actually the opposite. It sucks in. So it sucks in air and blows air out here. So this is the vacuum attachment. So the vacuum attachment, let me show you that here, has this filter that's washable. All of this is washable, so it's reusable. So if I put this in like so, and I, you know, turn it, now I could use it as a vacuum. So I could just vacuum like this, or I have this particular attachment that I could just attach to. And you'll notice, you know, now I could just vacuum back and forth, you know, any dust. So that's very helpful. Now if you notice, if I turn it up higher, more suction. And you could just see based on that. And then a little bit more suction, the third. So there's actually air that comes out on this side. Once again, this is like a suction blower. But, you know, the vacuum works pretty well. So that's what I love about it, is that it simply just doubles as a vacuum. And if I take this off, you can take this off and, you know, go for the vacuum like this. So, you know, it has a good suction power. Now I'm going to turn this off now and just show you once again how this is set up. So I'm going to turn it off. So it's actually a little bit easy to mistakenly turn it on, because that's just the simple push of a button. I'm going to take out this attachment. And show you this again. So this is the vacuum. So the dust is gonna go in there, but then you just rinse it. So again, you could use it for the keyboard. So let me just demo that. Put it in here. Put this attachment, and then you know, push this attachment on here, and then use this for the keyboard. So I could just get the dust out of the keyboard without damaging the keys itself. You know, stuff like that. So that's what I would use this for. Now I turn this off and show you this attachment here. Once again, I pushed it by mistake, so I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to replace this with the vent, and then put my blower here, and once again, this is the blower. So that's how this particular one works. Now just going around this device, you could see there's the 4 indicators of the amount of battery that's left. You know, there's the light that helps you see things while you're cleaning. So I'm going to turn off the light. You know, this attachment here looks like this, and it's just kind of like a blow dryer without the heat, but slightly more powerful. And this is lithium, so this lasts about 45 minutes of use. So this does replace all the canisters of air dusting that you have to buy. The recharging is right here, and the good thing is it's a USB-C, which is the plug that is universal, like it's the oval shaped. So you just plug it in here, USB rechargeable. So that's one of the other great things about it. And it's you know, just your regular sort of handle here. So that's really it. That's kind of really what I wanted to show. You know, not too much to it. You know, maybe showing this again. So this, you just rinse kind of like around the faucet. And that's really it. So there you have it. That's the electric air duster and vacuum 2-in-1 lithium. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe and check out the link below for where to purchase this. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.